Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about two most commonly used text functions, that is len and trim. Len function, it will return the number of characters that I have in a given cell. So for example, in this case I have Excel written. So Excel comprise of 5 characters. So when I type in len function and I select the cell which has Excel written, close the bracket and enter, it gives me the same result, 5 characters. Similarly, Microsoft has 9 characters. So same way, when I type len function, select Microsoft, hit enter, I get 9 characters. In this case, I have combined both the words Excel and Microsoft that I have used in earlier examples, len, and hit enter. I'm getting 15 characters, but when I add 5 and 9, I get 14. I'm getting 15 because of the additional space that I have between Microsoft and Excel. So irrespective of my cell having any space, special character, number, text, len will include each of them. So each character that I have will be counted as one unit and the result will give me based on that. The next function that we'll talk about is trim. Now, people who deal with names or inputs that are coming in from different people, at times when I'm typing a name, it could be that I could enter additional space in between. It could be before, it could be in middle, or it could be at the end. So trim function helps me get rid of all those extra space in between. So in this case, I have typed Microsoft Excel and I have added lot of space in between Microsoft and Excel. So when I type trim function, select the cell, close bracket and hit enter. So you can see the difference. In this case, I see lot of space in between Microsoft and Excel, and here I see only a single space. So let me demonstrate this. So sales data, I just have one space in between. I'm adding 3 or 4 space and I'm adding additional 3 or 4 space at the end. Hit enter. I'll again use trim function, select sales data, bracket and enter, and I can see all those additional space that I had added at the end and in the between, they're gone. I can show this that this actually works using a len function. Equal to len sales data I've selected, which has a lot of space in between. I get 17 characters. Similarly, len, I'll select sales data, bracket close, and I'm getting 10. The reason because of the additional 7 space that I have added to show, those are available here, and trim is removing all those 7 additional space that I've added. So that's why I'm getting the result as 10. We have seen how len works, we have seen how trim works. Now I'll show you how we can use both together. I'll use the same example that we have, that is Microsoft Excel. So I say equal to len and close bracket. I'm getting 22 because of all those additional space in between. So now I'll add trim function in between. Trim, open bracket, after B15 I'll close bracket and enter. This is now giving me 15 because of the trim function that I am using in between. It is removing all the space that I had in between Microsoft and Excel, and then len function is counting the number of characters with the revised results using trim function. We can do the same thing with sales data. Sales data equal to len, then I start typing trim, I select sales data, first bracket close, second bracket close, and enter. So now I'm getting 10. This is the same result that I got earlier as 10. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to my channel for upcoming videos. Goodbye and take care.